Hello everyone. In today's video we are going to deal with some important MCQs from the prologue to the Canterbury Tales by Geoffrey Chaucer. So question first is that Chaucer was born in A 1344, B 1345, C 1341, D 1343. So right answer is D 1343. Chaucer had died in A 1400, B 1395, C 1399, D 1401. So right answer is 1400. Who wrote the Canterbury Tales? A. Shakespeare, B. Chaucer, C. Milton, D. None of the above. So right answer is B. Chaucer. Why are the pilgrims going to Canterbury? A. To meet King Henry III. B. To see a medieval mystery play. C. To worship the relics of St. Thomas Becket. D. Because they are tourists. So right answer is C. To worship the relics of St. Thomas Becket. Who was the first character described in the prologue of the Canterbury Tales? A. The Dark Knight, B. A partner, C. The Knight, D. The wife of Bath. So right answer is C. The Knight. The knight loves truth, freedom, chivalry and A. Courtesy, B. Honesty, C. Fellow pilgrimage, D. All of the above. So right answer is A. Courtesy. The young squire is the son of A. Monk, B. Plowman, C. Host, D. Knight. So right answer is D. Knight. Whom did the narrator meet at the Tabard Inn? A. Chaucer, B. Some members of the church, C. 29 pilgrims, D. 27 people on a pilgrimage. So right answer is C. 29 pilgrims. Reeve was very dash person. A. Honest, B. Dishonest, C. Brave, D. Kind. So right answer is B. Dishonest. Who knows the remedies of love? A. Nun, B. Fason, C. Monk, D. Wife of Bath. So right answer is D. Wife of Bath. The miller was dash man. A. Brave, B. Courtly, C. Muscular, D. Loving. So right answer is C. Muscular. Who loves God before neighbor? A. Plowman, B. Friar, C. Knight, D. Monk. So right answer is A. Plowman. The parson was brother of A. Plowman, B. Host, C. Merchant, D. Wife of Bath. So right answer is A. Plowman. Preferred to spend his money on books rather than a good clothes. A. Wife of Bath, B. Monk, C. Clerk of Oxford, D. Knight. So right answer is C. Clerk of Oxford. Whose face frightened the children? A. Merchant, B. Squire, C. Miller, D. Sumner. So right answer is D. Sumner. Who spoke the French language like someone who only learnt it in school? A. Reeve, B. Friar, C. Monk, D. Friars. So right answer is D. Friars. What was the prize for who told the best story? A. Lunch, B. Dinner, C. Dessert, D. Drink. So right answer is B. Dinner. Pilgrims visit Canterbury in A. March, B. April, C. May, D. June. So right answer is B. April. How many pilgrims were there? A. 28, B. 24, C. 29, D. 27. So right answer is C. 29. there were 29 except host. Including host, there were 30. Who wore silver cross of Saint Christopher? A. The knight. B. Yeoman. C. Nun. D. Wife of Bath. So right answer is B. Yeoman. Amo vincit ammonia means A. Love for all. B. Love melts all. C. Love conquers all. D. None of the above. So right answer is C. Love conquers all. The monk likes to A. Writing. B. Hunting. C. Riding. D. All of the above. So right answer is B. Hunting. Who always talks about profit? A. Monk. B. The knight. C. Yeoman. D. Merchant. So right answer is D. Merchant. The clerk had knowledge of A. Literature. B. Religion. C. Logic. D. All of the above. So right answer is C. Logic. The shipman lives in A. East. B. South. C. West. D. North. So right answer is C. West. The doctor of medicine had also expertise in A. Astronomy. B. Literature. C. Maths. D. Painting. So right answer is A. Astronomy. Who followed new fashion? A. Sumner. B. Fashion. C. Pardner. D. None of them. So right answer is C. Pardner. Dash was well-built man. A. Pardner. B. Host. C. Monk. D. Miller. So right answer is B. Host. Who is most ironical character among them? A. Parson. B. Host. C. Wife of Bath. D. Friars. So right answer is D. Friars. Chaucer divided all the characters into dash categories. A. 2. B. 4. C. 3. D. 5. So right answer is C. 3.